Hi, my name is Jasmine or Jazzy Starlight 7, whichever you prefer, and I'm doing a video today about replacing a Kia Optima 2018 door latch actuator. Try saying that fast. Anyways, so this video is because when I was driving, my door would be closed, but on the screen it was showing that the door was open and it kept constantly beeping, and then it kept showing that the door was open even though when I would turn off the car. So that slowly started draining my battery and it caused a bunch of other issues. So I had to replace it. Replacing the part was expensive on its own. It was like over $200 just for the part. So imagine labor on top of that. And I was just like, I wonder if there's a video on YouTube. And there was. So I was like, this doesn't look that complicated. I'm going to do it myself. And I did. So this will help you if you need to replace that same part, or if you need to get to your handle, or if you need to get to your speaker, or anything to do with your door, mostly things that you can do with your door. I would be able to help with that. So let's get to it.
Go ahead and pause this tools screen so that way you can take a look at it. These are the tools that I used. Feel free to switch anything out. So first we have the Phillips screwdriver, which is a 4-pointed cross. Next we have a flathead screwdriver, which is like the name says, it has one flat end. Next is a 6-pointed star or a Torx. You can get this in almost any hardware store. A ratchet set, and the ratchet extender. 10mm socket, a trim removal set, a magnetic flashlight, impact gun with a quick release option, impact ratchet attachments that go to that quick release. This is the error screen, but the door is closed. And now we will get into the meat and potatoes. If you know how low to lower your window, you can do it now instead of doing it later. So I've broken it down to 5 easy steps and then the reassembly after. So step 1, let's remove the outer door panel. Using our trim removal set, pick one that you think is easiest to use. Doesn't really matter which one. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove this plastic triangle right up here. And we'll just wedge it in behind and then just pull it off. It's held together by these 2 green snaps, and they just go into these 2 little holes. Next, remove the door handle cover. It's just this little plastic thing here. It will reveal the first screw of 2 screws that hold the outer panel together. Remove this screw. The second screw is behind this cover. Pull the lever open and use the tool trim remover and aim for this slit here. And go ahead and just pry it open and pop it off. It's held together by these 3 little clips. The second screw is now revealed. Remove this screw. After removing the 2 screws, now we can take off the outer door panel. With the tool trim remover, aim for the space between the black panel and the metal frame. You hear and feel more pops. It's more of these green snaps. They go all the way around the door. Work your way around the outer door panel. Then you should be able to pop off the outer door panel. When you take off the door, there will be 2 cables, this double white one and this single black one. The double white one is the door latch cable, and the single black cable is the power cable buttons. To remove, push this tab and pop off. To remove this one, push on the tab and remove this cable too. It has this little tabby button that you press in order for it to release. Set the outer door panel aside. Ta-da! Done with step 1. Step 2, remove inner door panel. Find this rubber piece on the door. Remove it. This is where we lower the window to expose the screw that holds it onto the track so we can remove the inner door panel. This is the goal, to line up that screw track with this hole. To get there, reconnect the black power cable, turn on the car, and lower the window little by little. Turn on the car. For safety reasons, open the door if working in an enclosed space. It's important to be safe. Reconnect the door power cable.
So here's the trick. Okay, put the light behind it and see. Oh, right there. Right? Good.
This is roughly how low your window needs to be. Carefully lift the window up off its track. Turn off the car and remove the power cable and set door aside. Next, remove the rubber piece and shove it in the same hole so it comes out the other side.
Whatever.
Now remove the 8 10mm screws all the way around, plus the window screw.
The door handle here that you lift up and to the side. So this stupid latch has a tabby right here. So it's good if you grab it like this coming out. And then you see this thingy, and I grab it and put it in the hole. So it comes out here. And then you pull it. Okay? Don't worry about that wire. You're gonna leave that wire alone. But once you pull that here, okay, and you're just gonna put this guy right here.
Step 3. Remove door handle. This is what it will look like after you remove the inner door panel. Now we will remove the 3 screws to remove the door handle. We need to remove this plug.
Yeah, a tool.
This screw does not come out.
No come out. No come out. Open it. And push. See? And then this one, you go this way, that way. So you go here. Yeah? And you pull. Okay. This thing. This thing. Very important. Gotta take this one out.
Step 4. Remove beige stick. Pay attention to where this stick goes. Once you familiarize yourself in the orientation of the beige stick, go ahead and remove it. Ta-da! Done with step 3. Step 5. Remove broken door actuator. Now it's time to remove these with a 6-pointed star torque. Remove broken door actuator. Here you'll see a comparison between the old and the new one. Find this piece on your old actuator and detach the handle frame from that old actuator. To remove, follow the gap with the wire. Pinch and press these down to remove. Now remove the gray wire from this snap. Just pull it off. Like this. Reassemble. Let's put her back together.
New piece in here.
With the new door latch actuator, follow the same grooves with the new silver wire. Press firmly to snap this into place. Press firmly to place this wire back in its holder. Now it's time to place the new door latch actuator in the car.
So what I'll do is I'll line up the teeth. Line up the teeth right here. There we go. Now it's out of the way. You should feel a click, and then it'll stay by itself. Get back in, and remember this piece goes all the way up here. So the stick, you should see this and this. That's how you know you're in the right spot. So you'll see this thread, you'll see that thread, and this. Okay.
Pull the stick towards you for a secure fit.
That's this one.
Line up the holes and reattach. Reinsert the black door handle screw.
And I gotta put it in here. So you're gonna go straight. Are you recording my hands? You're gonna go straight and then to the side. So you go straight. You're gonna go in the big hole, not the little hole, the big hole. Straight and to the side. And then this piece goes in here. See? And then you're gonna go this way. Push. Ooh.
This is what it looks like from the other side. Open the door handle to reattach this piece.
Now open the door. Slide it down and close. Like that. See?
Retighten this screw.
Little thingy back in here. Like this. Boop. Ta-da! If you want to look at the window piece, this window, this black, can you see it?
Yep.
On the track. Okay? And then you gotta get this guy and put it through the hole. This guy and put it through the hole. So, right. And then you gotta pull. Here, show this. You have to pull the plastic, right? And you're gonna put it through the hole. Like this. Ta-da! Okay, and you gotta get this guy and put it back inside this one until you hear it click.
Oh,
Right there.
yeah.
Okay? So,
Have the window pulled all the way up. Hold into place with your hand by pushing some pressure against it. Slowly start lowering the window onto the track. Now push the rubber piece closed.
okay. And then now, record this part. Now we gotta, you wanna make sure you're flush all around. Flush. See? And then you gotta put all your screws back. Take this rubber piece. And then I'm gonna put this thingy back inside this thingy. Like that. And then you do the thingy.
Reinsert screw 1. Reinsert screw 2.
So you see the arrow? It's pointing this way, so it goes this way. And these two pieces go in those two holes. Right? So you gotta open the door and then press.
You have to buy your own tools first.
Ta-da!
All done.
Now the moment of truth.
Woo.
It worked!
Can you make the window go up?
Yep.
Congratulations! You're all done. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.